Returning to the Coin Lady channel. I hope you'll subscribe and like our videos to stay abreast of all the newest happenings in the cryptocurrency world. However, it was quite daring. Bitcoin's price has risen to over $64,000 per coin. Even at 62.5 cents per coin, there was a significant correction around 64,000, and that's before you even consider Coinbase. A lot of people are taking advantage of the situation to their full potential, which is causing problems. Crypto's 20% gain in value in the past week is mind-boggling. Though, having said that, that coin has also been performing somewhat better than Bitcoin. Jasmy is the one in question. Coin, this has been on the channel for a while. We were talking about it at 202 and ending by telling people that it has a lot of potential, that there is a huge consensus behind it, and that they shouldn't ignore it. The skyrocketing success of Jasmy has led to a 420% increase in volume only today. Plus, the price explosion over the past month, which is evident in the present trading level of 2082, is a huge positive development. Nance has been the major participant, with over $254 million flowing via this, despite all of its problems. I usually urge people to get some profits out of a big player, and now a lot of people will be wondering about taking profits. A lot of individuals will be significantly up on their bargain. However, you must realize that Jasmy still has a long way to go before she can be considered accomplished. A major rally is imminent. Additionally, when these huge price increases will occur is anybody's estimate. What we do know, though, is that Jasmy enjoys a period of consolidation before she bursts forth, during which time a lot of happening behind the scenes. What this means for Jasmy is that we're almost ready for another major breakout, and I wouldn't be surprised if we hit a major milestone soon. With over 62,000 holders, the actual holder account is booming right now, and everyone wants in on the action. Those of you who have subscribed to my channel are already in, and your gains are substantial. However, this remains true when considering the overall context of any given coin. I don't know how many 62,500 holders actually see the immense potential for future growth with Jasmy. As an example, she was unaware that he was shooting at the 1.2 million people who had that currency. Imagine Jasmy 100,000 times. Imagine what the Jasmy ecosystem would be like if 500,000 holders began to attract institutional and large investment capital. As a foundation, how does that feel to you? That should give you some idea of its significance. In the end, what has piqued my interest in Jasmy is the fact that they are actively engaging in strategic partnerships, which is evident in their device integration with Aviva. They are also improving their services, collaborating with service providers, and developing innovative products by collaborating with tech companies that specialize in front-end blockchain and technologies. Talking about the device itself, you may get it with Jasmy software and hardware integrated, which is a really intriguing feature. Additionally, the Internet of Things, IoT, which we discussed in my previous video, will play a crucial role in this, whether it's in consumer electronics, healthcare devices, or industrial IoT. So long as you, the user, take advantage of data monetization opportunities and earn Jasmy tokens by granting regulated access to your data, everyone wins. The cherry on top of Jasmy is that you will have complete command over your data. We've built our system on top of the greatest method for democratizing data, the blockchain, and finally, we've improved our security measures by controlling and continuously developing and implementing state-of-the-art security technologies. Much of that is, in the end, what goes unnoticed by those who witness the enormous price increase. Everyone can feel the anticipation, and they can all see what's coming. However, the enormity of the Jasmy environment becomes crystal clear when one believes in the onion skin. Well, the entire supply is already gone. I hear this from a lot of individuals. The vast majority of this drama has already been performed. The truth is that it does exist. Soon, there will be a fourth quarter lockup when institutions will sequester some of this for a set amount of time. One of the major motivating factors for Jasmy is the fact that there is a circulating supply of 49,299,999 units, which is equivalent to over 98.6% of the total supply. In my opinion, that conveys a genuine narrative feeling. That there are no arbitrary team cells is the crux of the matter. No random large whale can drop this. It is now public knowledge, so anyone can see it and comprehend its current location and the rationale behind its possession by wallet holders. At this point, it is clear. A large portion of Jasmy is held by one of the major exchanges, which is Nance. This, however, was the major point where many individuals found fault. I was able to observe that because this was a great chance for me to see what's in the bloodstream. This isn't going to appear out of nowhere. And that's where Jasmy really gets me pumped up. At last, we have one more thing to look forward to, his junction, the permissionless chain that Jasmy started. Could you tell me what this is? They have nearly 15,000 followers and have posted twice, so you can imagine the excitement. We are still waiting for additional details. That might be a fascinating turn of events. In the end, it will be a brand new service. Plus, it's all connected to Jasmy, so I really suggest you drop by and follow along. You may also join their Telegram channel to be updated on everything, or even better, subscribe to the channel and follow me on social media. Plus, we'll keep you apprised of the latest developments. But I think we'll be covering more ground, Jasmy, even when we get into the technical details. In addition, the MACD, moving average convergence, the divergence indicator appears very positive, with the price hovering around the 2-cent mark, which is far above the 50-day exponential moving average. Well, folks are making a ton of money right now, 38% more than they did on the dip, on the 4-hour and daily charts, and it's just me. I'm curious to hear your reasoning behind your opinion, your selling point for Jasmy, and your price estimate. Leave a comment below if you have. No matter what, I always make an effort to respond with enthusiasm. As a community, we've been involved with Jasmy and other fantastic coins for a long time, and I read all the comments I can about them. A bull run is on the horizon, according to the market sentiment. There is a possibility that Bitcoin might retest 64,000. Coming up quickly. It is all quite thrilling. Click the subscribe button if you're a crypto and Jasmy bull. Muchas gracias, depart.